Edgar makeup artist. We're here with the beautiful Elena Davidson just to treat you to a makeup tutorial using the beautiful brand Arbonne with a very, very talented dancer. Give us a quick tell what you've been up to this year.
Well, I'm the IDTA Theatre Craft Grades winner 2017, and now I've just been told that I'm going to star in the UK tour of Gangster Granny.
Amazing! So I'm going to use beautiful vegan products on your skin. This is the primer here. This is £32, packed with green tea. Next up, I'm going to use the Perfecting Liquid Foundation. Again, this beautiful product from Arbonne. And I'm just going to put 2 pumps and use our fabulous vegan brushes. And I always think of the face like a heart when I apply complexion. So you really only need product where you need it. So I just want to make it real easy for all us boys and girls. I don't want any of you to feel intimidated or uncomfortable about it. This is photographic makeup tonight as well, but it doesn't mean it has to be any fuller or any more coverage than it would be for day to day. This is the Arbonne Eye Primer at only £23. This is packed with antioxidants and it's actually going to give around the eye some hydration, and I just like to sweep it straight over the lid. It's also great. People ask me, do I need it? Really, you do. You don't want your shadow to crease into this area as you move the eye, certainly not for your line of work. You know, you're very much centre stage. And I'm going to use this gorgeous, gorgeous shade here, which is Mist. I'm going to sweep mist all over the lid. And this is just going to set that beautiful primer that we've used. I've decided we're going for very sort of spring summer 2018, Sophia Webster inspired. So I'm going to go straight in here with this shade here, Aurora. See, we've gone right up to the brow bone there. We can even come a little bit out. This is more of a fashion look this evening. So basically here we've just blended through Aurora with some opal and some beautiful pearlescent shades just to create that soft look that is required for tonight's photo shoot. Take the flat liner brush, pop it into your colour, dust it away, and just close your eyes, please, Elena. Simply press to give the appearance of a fuller looking lash. It can be glamorous, it can be a feline flick, it can be anything you want it to be, but for tonight's purpose, it's all about just a fuller lash, which is what we're seeing on the spring catwalks. If you could open your eyes, please, Elena. Just gently sweep a little bit just along the lash line. This is so gorgeous. It's a Long Story mascara, and you just want to come from the root up in a zigzag to the tip, just to get all of those lovely, gorgeous lashes. Now, the eyebrows for the spring are bushed up, gorgeous. They're just so elegant. I'm going to use this fabulous product. It's £28, and we're going to brush the hairs up, and all we're going to do is use the colour where we need it. And it's nothing fierce and strong that we saw in the autumn winter, guys and gals. It's just such a pretty soft brow, and everything's just airbrushed out. Gorgeous. Little favourite is the Arbonne eyebrow gel, and this just holds those hairs in place like a hairspray for the eyebrow and gives that beautiful look. Let me show you folks at home, for example, this amazing, see, it's all about that amazing brushed up brow. This is our inspiration from Sophia Webster for today's look, and you can see just soft, and this is what it's all about for the spring and the summer. And we just want to put a little bit of definition. You're really, really wanting I would describe it like spaceship skin. It's just glowing, it looks awesome, it's so healthy. But you always remind me of, you know, gorgeous Mediterranean cheekbones and like a Dolce & Gabbana model, so I always like to give Elena just that little bit of definition here, ever so softly. And really, that's all that's required at all. Go onto her blusher at £24, on, off, and smile for me, and just pop it onto the apple of the cheek, and you can see already how it balances us with that amazing lilac. That's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to use Opal, and again just take it off my hand, and what we're going to do is just come around and down. Do you guys see that? It just sits where the light would naturally hit you. To me, this is that magic finishing touch of that beautiful dreamy look. Absolutely stunning. Always bring a little bit down the bridge of the nose as well, which looks really pretty. Oh, and this is a great trick for you all. This makes the lip look fuller. It just sits on top of the Cupid's bow like that. So when the light hits, light brings forward and dark recedes. So the light's going to create that awesome effect for you. This is my new favourite thing. It just imparts radiance onto the skin. It's a translucent setting powder. So soft. Absolutely love this product. The gloss at £21. This one is called Calla, and it's so soft and pretty, and it's just going to look amazing. And notice we're not using any liners, we're not doing anything hard. The most fashion is here with the eyeshadows, but don't ever feel that you can't use those colours, but just do them, you know, in a different way for every day. This is obviously a very fashion forward dance photo shoot. I'm just going to start getting her Carmen rollers in preparation for a photo shoot, but this look is all ready for you to have a little look at. So this is spring summer 2018. You've got gorgeous ingredients, everything is doing your skin a benefit. So you've got great quick results with beautiful finish. So isn't it so nice and different? So it just leaves the eyes to do the talking. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Elena. All the very best with your photo shoot tonight at Jolo's Photography. And I hope you've got some great tips and enjoyed watching Alexandra from AJ Edgar Makeup Artist. Thank you so much.